a tornado right there. You see? You see it? Yeah. Alright. Let's get in our car. Let's go chase this beast. Yeah, I know. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, it became an F1 now. Yeah. And this one appears to be invisible. I don't know why. Maybe. We're in Texas right now. This is a map name, Texas. Yeah. Yeah. So, whoa! Okay there! Yo! Hold up, I see something. Oh cool, there's a little dust devil that formed. Dust devils more happen often in Texas because it's more dusty here. See? What is that? What is that? What is that sound? Anyways, look at that tornado. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that thing appears to be coming towards me. Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta go. No. Maybe let's park here. Ow. Woo! Oh. It's jumping. Ow. Oh wow. Okay, now it's an EF3, and that thing is huge. Holy guacamole. And that thing is coming towards us. Let's get to our house. We gotta bail. We gotta bail. We really gotta bail. Oh yeah, a few dust devils hit this place. That's where there's a bit of barrels tossed around. Actually, it was an EF1 that previously hit. Ow. Well, at least I didn't hit my house. That'd be bad. Yeah, but, look at that. Oh, man, I wish I could have took a picture of that EF2. It'd been beautiful. Oh, wow. Big barrel. And we have this. Big, is this, what is this? What is, excuse me? What is this? Oh no. Okay, that thing is now an EF4. That thing is an EF4 now. Yeah. Look at that. I can tell this thing is probably gonna come towards us. Let's get in our house. Yeah, I don't know why it's so difficult to get in our house. Okay, I think that tornado might do some damage to the houses. Not this house, but maybe those. Ow! Cause it's like right next to these houses. Like, sheesh! Okay, that is a beautiful tornado. Dude, I love this. Is it even an EF4? Wait. Hold up. Oh no, it's getting destroyed. We gotta go. 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 Come on. Dude, it's right on our tails. Hey, yo. What was my car doing? but now it's becoming an F5. Oh! Okay. The tornado ended. Yeah. Oh, we got another one on the ground. Ooh, I like that one. Look at that. Okay, it's an F0. Wow. Dude, do you see that? That is the most beautiful tornado I've ever seen. We gotta go after that thing. I mean, it's skinny, so it's okay. We can go after it. It might do some minor damage to the houses. I don't know. But oh yeah, let's check that house that got destroyed. Cause we did see it getting destroyed. Like, did you see that little part that got thrown? All right, and we have arrived. Okay, it might have done some damage because it didn't take a direct hit in the house. It basically just like just hit a smudge of it. Like, it didn't hit it from this. It hit like it was, the tornado was on the road, not on the direct path of the house. Ooh, I like that. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I can still see that little dust devil. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, wow. Let's go. Ow. Ugh. Glad we didn't get stuck on the rails. Ooh, I'm gonna like this tornado. It's gonna come and hit directly. Okay, it's coming towards us. It's coming towards us. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Run! Ah! Okay. Okay. Ow. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, we got there in the nick of time. I knew it was coming towards us. Because if a tornado stops moving, that is the only chance to run. Or just drive away. Oh, it's that tornado again. Yo, look at that. Rate that tornado from 1 to 10, guys, in the comments. Look at that. Look, wow. Did this tornado suffer any damage? No, it did not. Neither did any of these tornadoes. Wow. Dude, look at that. That is beautiful. I love that tornado. Guys, rate it in the comments. Rate it in the comments. 1 to 10. Or 1 to 100. Your pick. Wow. Ah, I can still see the little dust devil. Hello. Hi. Oh. Oh, now it's an F3. Wait, is it an F3? No, I think it's an F4 now. An F4. Dude, it's doing that noise again. What is that? Right. Ford F-150. Okay. Ooh. Woo! Today, my tooth came out. You know, like I have 2 loose teeth on the left and right side of my mouth, and the left loose tooth, well, came out, and I'm really happy because this really slowed down my eating. Uh-oh, now it's an F5. That's the strongest and deadliest tornado type. Maybe I'm ranking this like at 201 miles per hour. Okay, that tornado is really close to this house. It could hit it at some point. Hang on. Oh, that tornado isn't moving. It's coming towards us. Is it? Let's move away. Oh, yep, it's coming towards us. It's coming towards us. I'm certain. Let's see it get destroyed. Excuse me, what? Not again! Okay. Oh no. Dude, that tornado is right next to my house. We gotta get... Dude, we gotta... Wait. No dilly-dally! We gotta get there! Dude, ah! Ugh. Is that thing gonna hit my house? Please, no. Uh-oh. Yeah, don't, please. Oh! Whoa! Okay, some pieces got torn off. Maybe a few... Excuse me, what? Did this tornado do you any damage? No, it did not. Okay, it didn't hit my house, but it did throw a bit of props, like barrels, paint cans, etc. Why do I need paint cans? Maybe to paint my house like this color. I honestly love it, not gonna lie. Oh, you ready to go to the F1 or 2. What if I told you that tornadoes can form as an F2 or F3 or F1 when they are first born? Ooh, I'm liking this one. Ooh, rate this tornado 1 to 10, guys. Holy cow! Well, I can't really get a view. Is it hitting something? I'm not really sure. Let's go. Do I see debris? Oh yeah, it definitely did hit that house. It definitely did hit that house. Let's see the damage. Let's wait for the tornado to clear its position. Oh! Yep. 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 It totally destroyed the house. There are a little bit of pieces here. It's only a little bit. Okay, now it's an F3. Whee! Woo! We're gonna drive across that. Ah! Wait, did it break? Okay, it did not break, but where did this come from? There are no trees here! Excuse me? Okay, what house did it destroy exactly? Oh, wow. Some pieces of metal came from here and then got yeeted across into this house's window. I'm certain that this house got hit. Let's see. Damage. Oh. Okay, it didn't do that much. Only the roof got torn apart. Like the entire roof. Nothing else. The door, the walls, everything else. Except the roof is gone. Oh no! Holy cow! Oh my gosh! Dude, that was scary. That was scary as heck. Uh-oh. That thing is gonna come towards my house. This is bad. This is really bad. Yeah. Well, we'll just get to be able to see my house get destroyed. Or, let's hide in here. Shelter. Oh my god. Ooh. Huh? Ooh. Close the door. Close the door. Yeah. Yeah, I think my car is like torn off the ground. Or maybe it got tossed across. Wait, did anything even happen? Oh! Yeah, oh shoot. Yeah, oh crap. Dude, that thing is so near. If that thing comes towards us, it's the end of the video, ASAP. Because there ain't no way I'm surviving that of a monster. It's probably an F5. That is a pretty cool tornado.